Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here at Crypto Nation. If you're new here, it's totally free to subscribe and hit the like button for post notifications. So in this update, I want to talk about Bitcoin. Right now, we're at um, um, 63,749. Yeah, this is update is on Bitcoin itself, the big dog, the one that started it all. Now, yesterday we was sitting at about over 64,000 per coin, a little bit over. I think we got up to 64,500 before we pulled back, and now we're back down to like 63,749 as I make this update. But the good part is Bitcoin is holding above that 63,000. Of the way it's looking, it looked like now Bitcoin doesn't want to go back below 60,000, and I think eventually the Bitcoin bears are going to get liquidated and wrecked. If you're, shorting Bitcoin, that probably wouldn't be a good idea right now because it looked like this is getting ready to explode. There's already been rumors that um, September is going to be the big month for crypto. It's just supposed to go parabolic in September, but let's see what happens. We're pretty much at the end of August now. It's August 26th. Wow, August went by fast. The summer is almost over. Um, September 1st will be next Monday. Yeah. No, excuse me, next Sunday. Next Sunday's September 1st. So yeah, man. August is almost out of here. And I think it looks like the Bitcoin, this is more like the calm before the storm. Now it looked like a lot of altcoins is, you look at the altcoins, a lot of them is pulled back. But yeah, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, like I said, once Bitcoin finally, if we can get back up to that between 70 to 72,000, just like they said, just like the expert said, when Bitcoin hit that price, like I said, mark my words, between 70 to 72,000, we will see an altcoin surge, a big altcoin surge. They're already saying this could be one of the biggest short squeezes ever in crypto. So yeah, we got to get ready for that. Let's check out the volume for Bitcoin, see what the volume is looking like. Right now, the volume is at 34,026, for Bitcoin. So, uh, no need to talk about tokenomics. We all know what the tokenomics is. Um, there's only 21 million Bitcoins out there. Um, that's not including the 6 or 7 million that was lost. But I think they have a way to recover those Bitcoins, the ones that was lost. And also, let's see here. We got let me see here, the market cap. Right now Bitcoin is sitting at a 1.2 trillion market cap. But yeah, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for post notifications. Also, hey, guys, get the channel membership. That's all I ask. Hey, if you like to support the channel, get the channel membership. That's $3 a month. I always have my updated portfolio up there where you can see what I'm doing. And also, I'm going to be, coming up for this bull run. I'm going to be covering because, like Coinbase always get like new low cap utilities that's just going to skyrocket, right? And some of those coins I'm going to share them with the channel members first. So yeah, um, so yeah, definitely get the channel membership. The cheapest ones is $3 a month. Like I said, I'm not one of those crypto YouTubers that's money hungry. I'm not gonna try to tell you to click on a link so you to like Marjax or some leverage trading platform like a lot of these other crypto YouTubers are doing, or they tell you or say go to the Patreon, blah blah blah. All I ask is get the channel membership. Like I said, the cheapest one is only $3 a month, and that's a good way. Hey, you're supporting the channel. But anyways, um, back to this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Like I said, that's totally free. But anyways, back to Bitcoin here. Uh, but yeah, that's pretty much what um, how things are looking. Go to the community here. Like I said, Bitcoin. I think this is only going to be a matter of time before this thing squeezes. Let me see. So, what price will Bitcoin hit first? 58 or 70? I think 70. He's already been there. Okay, I gotta. Alrighty, Cryptos R Us said this measures Bitcoin is versed asset since MicroStrategy adopted a Bitcoin strategy. The results speak for themselves. Bitcoin is actually at an important resistance zone. BTC will dump to 61,000 if the price got rejected from there. Hmm. Yeah, like I said, over the last um year now, Bitcoin. Oh, so we got to an all-time high of 74,000 for Bitcoin. Then after that, it all went downhill from there. It looked like, but there's a lot of selling. There was a lot of selling pressure at about between 70 to 72,000 for Bitcoin. It's a lot of selling pressure, but I think this time if Bitcoin can go ahead and squeeze and break that wall of resistance at about 70 to 72,000, I believe that from there Bitcoin is going to go parabolic. Once if it could just get past that selling pressure at that price, we saw what happened last time when Bitcoin got close to 70,000. It quickly got rejected, and then it went all the way back down into the 50s. So yeah, man, I think it's very important this time that Bitcoin does break that wall of resistance of like I said, between 70 to 72,000. Because if it can't break that wall of resistance this time around, I'm just gonna say, man, it's not things. I don't think things are going to look good for the Bitcoin and the crypto market. If Bitcoin can't hit that, break that wall of resistance at that price. But I don't know. But I believe this time it's going to break that wall of resistance. We all know they've been manipulating Bitcoin. These big hedge funds, all them, Grayscale, BlackRock, they've been bought up a lot of Bitcoin. We know they've been manipulating the price by, once they hit a certain price, it will start, you know, BlackRock, whoever, they'll start selling to get the price back down. And then once the price goes down, then they'll start buying it back up again. So we know what they've been doing to Bitcoin. They've been manipulating the price the whole time because they know they own a big chunk of Bitcoin by buying a lot of it. So they know if they sell a certain amount of it, once they get to a certain price, it'll make the price of Bitcoin kind of go down, right? So yeah, they definitely been manipulating Bitcoin because like the way I see it, you got to think like BlackRock and all these other companies, Grayscale, ARK Invest, MicroStrategy, and all these guys that's bought up all this Bitcoin, right? Um, you think, okay, wow, if they bought up all this Bitcoin, you got the SPY Bitcoin ETFs, the SPY Bitcoin Ethereums. You got to think, well, why is Bitcoin not sitting at about 100,000 or a little bit over 100,000 by now? Well, that's the reason they know when to sell to get the price back down before they buy in. That's what they've been doing literally for the past year now with Bitcoin. But I think eventually Bitcoin is gonna break that and go ahead and um, just go ahead and squeeze without whether they're selling it or not at 70K or whatever like they've been doing. But anyways, us retail investors, people who know crypto, they know what's been going on with Bitcoin. But anyways, yeah, man. Let's see what happens. Like I said, August is almost over. I think something is brewing for the crypto market and Bitcoin. But anyways, hey, that is my take. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. Really just giving really my opinion. And yeah, that is my update on Bitcoin. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.